how much
Faster.
faster. Good job.
Addison Mizner School has been educating students in Boca Raton since 1967. Recently, our school underwent a complete rebuild and expansion. We are now a modern, two-story building with the latest technology. Home to students in kindergarten through the 8th grade. Every classroom has 2 smart boards. The school also takes pride in its state-of-the-art science and computer labs.
Addison Mizner School is great because all the teachers are nice, all the kids are nice, all the guidance counselors are nice. It's just one of the best schools ever.
Addison Mizner School is a Parent-Teacher Association School of Excellence. The success at Addison Mizner starts with a talented team of teachers.
They are here from morning, noon, and night for the kids. The amount of volunteering that they do to go ahead and make sure the students are successful or involved in clubs is just outstanding. Their dedication is just monumental, and the parents are really, really appreciative of all their hard work.
Any student in Palm Beach County can apply to be a part of the school's Pre-Business and Information Technology Choice Program. Students can receive the Microsoft Technology Associate Industry Certification. Students program their iPads to move robots. Their computer creations come to life using a 3D printer. They learn to code and create websites. These students also have the unique opportunity to receive high school credit in middle school by successfully completing Algebra 1. Our school also puts an added emphasis on mental health. From this guidance class,
We learn much more if we try new things.
to mental health professionals on campus who are always available to help students with their social emotional learning. Our school aims to educate students and assist them in realizing their full potential as responsible, productive, contributing members of society by providing a safe and educational environment in which students are challenged, excellence is expected, and differences are valued.